Does your heavy-duty diesel truck feel like it is stumbling, lacking major pulling power, and smelling strongly of raw fuel while you're driving down the road? You could be looking at a P020F engine trouble code, which points directly to a malfunction in the fuel injection timing circuit, specifically for cylinder number 6. This specific diagnostic code almost exclusively applies to modern clean-burning direct injection diesel engines. These massive engines operate under extreme conditions, utilizing high-pressure fuel pumps that can generate an incredible 35,000 pounds per square inch of fuel pressure. The powertrain control module tightly controls exactly when each individual fuel injector opens and closes based on the precise rotational position of the engine crankshaft and camshafts. If the computer detects that the timing for the cylinder 6 injector is inconsistent or incorrect, it immediately triggers this trouble code. You must consider this a severe issue and address it with high urgency. Your check engine light will illuminate, and you will likely experience aggressive engine misfires, a noticeable sag or stumble when you press the accelerator pedal, a general lack of engine performance, drastically reduced miles per gallon, and that very distinctive odor of unburned diesel fuel pouring from the exhaust pipe. The most common culprits for this injection timing failure include a defective electronic fuel injection solenoid right on cylinder 6, broken or shorted wiring within the fuel injector control circuit harness, a completely ruined fuel injector, or a catastrophic failure of the mechanical engine timing components like the timing chain. Sometimes, a faulty crankshaft or camshaft position sensor can also scramble the timing signals. Diagnosing this complex system requires a professional diagnostic scanner and a digital volt ohmmeter. You should start with a very careful visual inspection of all the high-pressure fuel system components and wiring harnesses under the hood. Look incredibly closely for any signs of wet diesel leaks, which are highly dangerous, as well as damaged wiring or melted electrical connectors. Read all the stored codes and freeze frame data with your scanner. If you happen to have codes for the crankshaft or camshaft sensors, you must diagnose and fix those specific sensors first before looking at the injector. If the timing code persists, you'll need to use your multimeter to carefully test the electrical resistance of the cylinder 6 injector solenoid, comparing your exact readings to the specifications provided by the vehicle manufacturer. If the solenoid tests fine, you have to unplug the main controller and test the entire wiring circuit for electrical shorts or open wires. Because we are dealing with extreme high-pressure fuel lines that can cause severe physical injury, and because unit injector failures often involve highly complex engine timing components, you should immediately take the vehicle to a certified diesel technician if you find any fuel leaks or if the basic electrical tests do not reveal a simple broken wire. Diesel engines demand total precision, so address timing codes right away to keep your heavy-duty rig running strong and efficiently.